2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.